What's up, guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Okay, guys, so if you're new, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, what it do? Okay, guys, so today we're going to get straight into this look. I absolutely love the outcome. Also, get into that under eye. Y'all know I don't normally do an under eye on camera. So guess what? This is something new. I'm actually feeling it. Look at this cut crease though. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so we're going to get into this look. I think I'm going to do a red eyeshadow with a gold cut crease. What y'all think? I'm thinking red and gold. Let's do that. Okay, guys, so we're going to go into that Pharmacy brush and we're going to go into the MacBook. We're going to use that red shade in the MacBook. It's currently right here. We've used it before. We're going to use it and then we're going to put it in that crease with that red color and we're going to put that in our crease. Then we're going to go into that Morphe. We're going to go into that Morphe M506 brush and we're going to deepen this so that when we go in, not exactly to cut the crease, but when we go in with that gold color on the crease, it won't cover it. We're gonna go in with that brush cleaner and we're gonna get the product off of there. We're gonna go into that lighter pink shade that's in the MacBook and we're gonna put it on the outside and blend it out. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go in and do it on this side the same way. Once I'm finished, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go in with the Acid Rain's blank canvas. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut this crease. Wish me luck. Cause I thought if somebody didn't know how to cut a crease, that's so big. Alright, y'all. Y'all know when you get to the top of that eye, this is the worst part. I'm scared, but I'm gonna do it. So guys, we're gonna go in and we're gonna pat that cut crease just so it won't get patchy when I apply that glitter. This is the start of a epic week, guys. I hope you all are ready for what's coming. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe also, guys. Please. That's going to keep me posting videos, posting more. Keep them coming. Thank you. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go in with my makeup remover wipe and I'm going to remove the excess red so that when we cut the crease doesn't be red, you know. We have to remove some of this product off the lid. Okay guys, so now I'm going into the Warrior 2 palette. I'm about to deepen the outer corner. I'm going to deepen both outer corners so that when I apply the gold, everything is so pretty and perfect. Guys, so far, how do you like a Vlogmas? So far, today's Vlogmas day 21. We literally have 4 more days. And within these next 4 days, I'm bringing you the heat. I'm coming with more looks. More characters are coming to town. Let's see who's going to stop by tomorrow, or what's going to stop by tomorrow, or what may fall from the sky tomorrow. Who knows? We're going to just wait to see. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. eyeshadow, and I'm going to do the other eye. All I did was went over it with the gold over the cut crease. And now we're going to get into that other eye. So guys, let me zoom out. These are the eyes so far. Now you know I have to get into my wing. Let's get more into detail with that wing, guys. But first, let's let this eyeshadow dry because it is a liquid. And I definitely don't want it to mess up. Okay, guys, so now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's get into that liner. We're going to go in with the Beauty Bakery's Lollipop Liner. Okay guys, moving right along from the eyes, we're gonna move into the face. Okay, now moving in with that pharmacy sponge, we're going to go in. We're going to fan for a few seconds. Then we're going to go in and blend it out. Okay guys, so I'm going in with that Too Faced foundation with that Holy Grail brush. And we're going to go in and blend it right under that concealer and on the forehead. Like I said, you must blend those two together so that there is no harsh lines. After, I'll see you when I'm ready to set. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to contour. I'm going to contour my nose. My cheeks, my head, and I'm gonna go in, of course, with that Real Technique brush, that Insta Pop brush for the cheeks. We're gonna go in and we're gonna pat, push, pat, push, pat, push all the way around. And when we get back, it's time to set with those powders. I'll see y'all when I get to that. Okay guys, I'm going in with the contour on that nose and I want to just blend it in up into that brow. Set with that spray. And then we're almost finished. We have to bronze. We have to apply those lashes. And of course those lips. Okay guys, so today we're going to attempt to do this a different way. We're going to use the Real Technique setting brush and we're going to just dip it in that Anastasia powder and we're going to pat it into the under eyes. Doing it this way, I see that there's a lot of fallout, so I'm going to go in with that sponge. I'm going to go in with that air sponge. Today, guys, we're going to be using ONE for the Lashscription. Now we're going to go in and carve out that contour. Setting spray. Fenty Beauty's highlighter, and we're going to highlight. Then we're going to move to the lashes. I'll see you all after I'm done highlighting. Okay guys, before I move into the lashes, we're going to go in that MacBook palette and we're going to go back into that red. We're going to put the red from the outer part of the eye to maybe the middle, and then in the inside we're going to put a splash of green. Let's see. I'm going to go back in. We're going to go in with the angle brush and apply that green. We're going to go back into that MacBook, but we're going to apply the middle green that's in the palette. It's giving true green if you ask me, so we're going to apply that right here. Okay guys, now that we've applied those shadows to the bottom lash line, we're gonna go in and add the eyeliner. Hey guys, we're gonna go into Momali and we're gonna apply Momali to the lash. Okay guys, here's the lashes. I absolutely love it. We're going to get into this lip now using the KKW Beauty's lip liner nude 3. We're going to line our lips. We're going to go in with a darker brown lip gloss. Okay, so I went in with that darker lip gloss. I'm going to go in with one more coat of it, and then we're going to apply one more gloss. And then this look is almost finished. I'm going to go in with this MAC Taraji collection. I don't even know the name of it, but it's a gold glitter gloss. And we're going to go in and apply that right up on top of their brown. It doesn't really give off much gold. But this was something to go along with the lip. Here's the gold gloss from MAC, the Taraji P. Henson collection. Okay, guys, here's the look. Let's get into that under eye. Okay, guys, this is the finishing look. I absolutely love it. Look at these. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I post my videos. Duh. Bye.